50 ml in this measuring flask. We will take a compound which is known as ferrous ammonium sulfate having a formula FeSO4 NH4 whole twice SO4.6H2O. So the equipments required in this titration are as follow, and in this we will also determine the strength of KMnO4 solution. We have to find the strength of this solution too. So the requirements are as follow. This is known as the measuring flask, which is of 250 ml, and in this we will prepare the solution of FAS of 250 ml. So in this we will add the ferrous ammonium sulfate with some water, and then we will add H2SO4 to remove the yellowish color of the solution and to make it colorless. Now we will pour this solution into this beaker for our ease. And now this is known as the pipette, and it is of 20 ml, and it is not necessary that it is of 20 ml, it can be of 10 ml, but in a laboratory it is of 20 ml, so we are using it. So we will take the solution of 20 ml from this beaker, and then we will add it to this conical flask. This is conical flask, and because it is having a shape of cone, that is why it is known as conical flask. Now we will take this conical flask to over here, and this is known as the burette. It is having the reading from 0 to 50. It has the speciality that at the top there is a 0 reading, and from 0 to 50 is at the downstage. This is the stand, and it is the funnel, and with the help of funnel we will add the KMnO4 solution of purple color through it easily. Now we will stir the solution which we had made. We will stir it over here, and at the reading at which it turns into light pink color, we will stop the burette over here and we will take the reading. So the observations which we have taken are as follow. The initial at 15.5 volume of KMnO4, the readings which we had get is 0 and 15.5. At 15.6, the readings which we had get is 15.5 and 31.1. At 15.5 again we had get 56.6 the final, and the initial which is 31.1. So now the volume, average volume, we can say average volume which we get is 15.5. Now the calculation which we have to do is, we are using the formula N1 into M1 into MV1 equals to N2 M2 V2. Now we will do the cross multiplication. M1 V1 upon N2 equals to M2 V2 upon N1. So now the molarity, M1 we had taken M by 20. We had said that we are preparing a solution of M by 20 molarity, 1 by 20 molarity, and the volume which we had filled in that pipette was 20. So here 20, and we didn't know the number of moles of the second solution, then we will keep it as it. The second molarity we have to find, and the volume which we had taken calculated is 15.5 upon number of moles are 1. So now we will study some chemical reactions through which we have to calculate the number of moles. So we here it is the decomposition of ferrous ammonium sulfate compound. Here FeSO4 NH4 whole twice SO4 into NH2O is decomposed into FeSO4 plus NH4 whole twice SO4 plus NH2O. We had balanced this equation, and the ionic equations which we get is here, and by solving this ionic equation we get the number of moles 5. So here the N2 value is the value of N2 which we get is 5 equals to M2 into 15.5. The value by solving this equation we get M2 equals to 0.01 mole per liter. Now we will find the strength of KMnO4 solution by the formula strength, and strength is calculated in gram per liter first of all, and it is having the formula molarity into molecular mass of the compound. So the molarity we had just calculated of the second solution is 0.01 into the molecular mass we know 158. So the strength of KMnO4, which is the second solution, strength of KMnO4 we get 1.58 gram per liter.